This is the ProtoArc XK01 Foldable Keyboard. It combines portability, form and function, making it an ideal companion for mobile work if you're always on the go. Designed with a full-size 105-key layout and numeric keypad, it's practical yet compact, folding down to a slim, trifold design that easily fits in your backpack. At just 10 ounces, the keyboard is lightweight and portable, perfect for on-the-go use. The folding system is magnetic and sturdy, so it can handle frequent travel, and the ultra-thin profile makes it easy to store without taking up much space. Equipped with non-slip rubber feet, it stays stable during use, and provides a comfortable typing experience even on different surfaces. Compatible with a range of devices, including Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, the XK01 can seamlessly pair with up to 3 devices via Bluetooth. It charges via USB-C and has a rechargeable 210 mAh lithium polymer battery. With a full charge, the keyboard boasts an impressive standby time of up to 5 months, so you rarely have to worry about charging. The XK01 uses scissor switch keys that offer a quiet, laptop-like typing experience. These low-profile keys reduce noise by over 90%, so you can type comfortably in quieter spaces without distracting others. The keys also feature 12 multimedia shortcuts, which make it easy to manage basic functions like volume, app switching, and other common commands. Its automatic power on feature activates as soon as it's fully unfolded, so it's ready when you are. Plus, the LED indicators at the top of the keyboard provide quick visual feedback on power, caps lock, and Bluetooth connection status. Built to suit a variety of users, from frequent travelers to remote workers, the ProtoArc XK01 is a versatile tool for anyone needing a reliable, full-size keyboard on the go. It's currently on Amazon for $44. Check it out in the link below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more. Also, if this doesn't take your fancy, make sure to check out some alternatives to the ProtoArc in the description below.